Hello everyone, welcome back again to this tutorial. So maybe you have your Google Play Store which is not working. You have your Google Play Store, and when you open it, shows this error in your Android phone. So what is to show you how you can be fixing this issue in your Android phone. So first of all, let's see what caused this issue to be coming in your Android phone. So now, for this Google Play Store to say that is not being able to open by showing this error to you, it means that it may be having various caches or other issues that you are going to be showing you how can be solving in your Android phone, so that it can be getting back to work well in your Android phone. So if you did not subscribe to this channel, No Max TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at No Max TV. Without wasting time, let's get started. So now I'm going to open now setting for my Android phone. If I open settings, so I can be able to manage all application in my Android phone, what I have to do is to go to Apple Management. You see I have Apple Management in my phone, and I can go here. So when I come here to Apple Management, I'm going to be managing all applications in my phone. So now let me click here on this Apple Management. So after clicking on Apple Management also, I'm going to come here at Apple settings in my Android phone. When I come to Apple settings in my Android phone also, I click there. When I click here, you see I have various applications. As you can be fixing in any other application in your Android phone, you can use this also option to be managing any other application in your Android phone. What I have to do is to scroll down and search Google Play Store in my Android phone. So now you see I have a Google Play Store in my Android phone. So now I have to make sure that this application is here also, and I can click here to see about my applications. You see I have various details of my applications, and I can click here on the top on these three dots to see if I can also uninstall an update. So if it is updated, or if it is not updated also, they want to be showing you that it's not updated, and you can be getting back to see if you can be updating this application. So but we don't need to update this application now because it is updated. So what we need to do is to make sure that we see how we can fix that issue if it is keeping to happen in our Android phone, so that it can not be working. So I have to come here to storage and cache. I click there. So after coming there, I can see, you see I have Apple size which is 90, so 90.85 MB. You see I have user data which is 17.15 MB. You can see I have cache which is 43.73 MB. You can see I have total size which is equal to 152 MB in total of my application, including data and also other activities that are being made on my application. What I have to do here is to come here on the top, so on the bottom left of my application. So what I have to do is to clear cache of this application. So when I clear cache, you see now this Fairy 7 also has gone. And so after doing this, you can go back in your Play Store and open it. It is going to be working well, it is going to be functioning when you are Android phone. You can be starting downloading the applications, and you can be also starting getting back whether downloading any other things you want to be using for your Google Play Store. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel, No Max TV, like this video, so share this video to your friends, and turn on notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at No Max TV.